Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Jenkins version and which plugins must be preserved because plugin mismatches break restores. Next, find Jenkins home and note key files, job folders config, XML credentials, XML secrets and plugins. Once done, pause Jenkins or put it in a quiet mode so jobs stop starting. This prevents partial writes. Make sure disk has enough space and pick a target for backups, local archive, NFS, or object storage. Finally, create a timestamped folder name for traceability. Now you perform the actual copy. If you can snapshot the file system, create the snapshot and mount it. Then tar or rsync Jenkins home from the snapshot for consistency. If snapshots aren't available, stop Jenkins briefly and run tar dereference or rsync archive to capture files. Once done, include the plugins directory and verify plugin versions. For large instances, stream backup to remote storage using gzip or zstd compression, and record checksums so you can validate integrity after transfer. You finish by validating and automating. First, compute checksums for each archive and perform a test restore to a staging Jenkins to confirm jobs, credentials, and plugins load correctly. Once validated, schedule automated backups with cron or a CI pipeline and enforce retention. Keep daily for 7 days, weekly for 4 weeks, monthly as needed. Make sure logs capture the run and results. If restore fails, check plugin compatibility, file permissions for secret/credentials, and Jenkins startup logs for errors. Those clues usually point to the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.